The BBP11 label printer is an economical entry-level label printer with high-quality 300 dpi print resolution, a small footprint, and a breadth of high-performance label materials that fit inside the printer. With 4-inch width and a printout speed of up to 3 inches per second, the BBP11 label printer can print a variety of ways, including via serial, parallel, USB 2.0, and Ethernet via the network. The BBP11 prints an extensive range of small core media rolls, as well as an extensive range of materials on a larger core via the external holder, including wire markers, perma-sleeves, laboratory labels, tissue cassette labels, print labels, tapes, cable markers, sleeves, and more. Loading the printer is simple. To begin, pull both dials on each side of the printer forward and open the top of the printer until you hear a click. To load, adjust the green media roll holder and press the button into the locked position to provide a tight fitting. Next, adjust the black media guides so the material is held tightly and will not move. If the material has a notch or beeline, move the beeline sensor above the notch. This allows the sensor to see the notch, space, or the beeline. If the material is gapped or is a die-cut material, there is no need to move the sensor. To load the printer, stick the thermal ribbon onto the cardboard ribbon core. Wind tightly until the ribbon is secure on both sides of the core. Insert the thermal ribbon right side onto the supply hub. Align the notches on the left side and mount onto the spokes. Turn the ribbon rewind gear until the ribbon is thoroughly wound and the ribbon covers the print head. Close the ribbon access cover and the top cover. The BBP11 makes printing easy.